Mas lalong minute dito ng aksyon ng Detroit Pistons versus Cleveland Cavaliers. Angasan kung angasan. Mukhang magkakasuntukan pa dito mga idol. Napaaray naman dito si Donovan Mitchell. So heto ng labanan ng Detroit Pistons versus Cleveland Cavaliers. At sino naman kaya ditong makaabante sa kanila ni Donovan Mitchell at Cade Cunningham para dito sa kanilang Game 5 na home court ng Detroit Pistons? Sayang at hindi naman dito makakapaglaro si Duncan Robinson. At ang pumalik naman dito sa kanyang lineup si Dennis Jenkins. Nasimulan in the corner triple. Good start. Dalawang magkasunod na field goal para sa home team. Samantalang magandang ikot naman dito ng bola ng Cleveland Cavaliers. Nasundan naman dito ng floater ni James Harden.
Thompson with the steal. Here's Mobley out of the pack and throws it down. Strus wide open, corner three. Pass inside, Harris gets the bucket. Brown wanted a push home on Harden. Meanwhile, Allen flips it up. Team on average, each team per game. Harden gets in the paint, the floater's up, shot, bounces around arms in anticipation. Cunningham, Merrill, quick release on that three-pointer. The bounce drives inside, layup's good. Some room falling away, shot's good. And Cunningham throws it already in the first quarter. Strus wide open. Come back to the paint, Strus trail. Stewart knocks it. Stewart's gonna try another. Stewart has it up. Mitchell drives off the glass.
Bigla naman ditong may ininda si Donovan Mitchell mga idol dahil na-twist ang kanyang paa nang hindi naman sa cameraman. End of the first quarter, lamang ang Detroit Pistons 29-27. Leading scoring si Cade Cunningham, total of 16 points.
7 on the shot clock. Thompson, Cunningham, three-pointer straight up. Tyson drive, blocked from behind by Stewart.
Napikon naman dito si Tyson kay Stewart. Pasalamat siya, hindi naman siya dito pinatulan. Pero nagkaangasan naman sila dito ni Tobias Harris.
Harris drives inside, goes right at Fulton on the drive, stops, pulls up, ball balance, good. Tough shot, gets it off the top and knocks it down. Jenkins throws it up and Thompson throws it down.
Si James Harden pa lang ang nakapagtala dito ng double figure sa Cleveland Cavaliers with total of 10 points dito si The Beard.
Side, Jenkins pulls back, jump shot, it's good. Levert pulls up, jumper, it's good. Occasion for the defense. Harden sees the double team, floats it in, dangerous pass, Curry goes inside, layup is good, and a foul.
Ang lakas ng Detroit, defense from offense mga idol.
Jenkins, Strus lines it up, Strus, stolen by Cunningham. Cleveland, Cunningham inside, Duran lays. Floats it up and good. Pick it out, Strus fires away, Strus!
End of the first half, lamang ang Detroit Pistons 60-52. Leading scoring si Cade Cunningham, total of 20 points sa halftime.